Welcome to how to send photos privately on Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to send photos privately on Instagram. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all what you're going to have to do, you will just open up your Instagram here, and then what you're going to have to do here that you will simply just tap on this message icon here like this one, and then you will open up that specific chat to whom you want to send a photo. And now there are two different ways in which you can send a photo to someone. The first one, and tap on this image option here, and this will open up your gallery. And let's suppose I want to send this photo, I will select this photo and then I will send this photo, and now this photo has been sent to this person privately. And the second option is you can basically tap on this camera icon here, and what it will do, it will basically open up your camera, and then from here you can basically click the picture and then send it. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.